All right, hello. Here we are for Unit 5, Video 5A video assignment. Just on the home page here, let's scroll down to Unit 5. So this video assignment is going to be a little bit different because we don't have a project or a lab for Unit 5. So I'll go ahead and click on Unit 5A video assignment. And I will scroll down here. So you'll have a link right here, unclick here to what you're watching right now, and some directions down here for a BrainPop lesson. So a lot of you are probably familiar with BrainPop through your social studies course, but we haven't used it yet in science. Just going to use it this time around to give us just a little more information on the solar system and universe through this video assignment. So you'll click on this link here, and it'll ask you to, well, I'm already signed in, but it'll ask you for a code. And it says Tuna73055, and it'll let you come in and do that lesson 21, solar system and universe is what we're looking for. So let me go ahead and get to my dashboard. It's going to look a little bit different than yours here until I get to it. So lesson 21, solar system and universe. I'm going to click view as a student so you'll see what you will see. All right, here we go. So it has multiple parts to it, and you should kind of go in the order I'm going to talk about. So solar system movie with pause points should be first. Solar system challenge is second. Time zone X game is third. And then the solar system movie quiz review just kind of walks you through it, and it's just what it's called, a review. And then solar system movie quiz graded. This is the most important one that you need to complete. But the rest of the information going through will help you do well on this quiz. So, movie quiz, just what it says, start, which figure is closest to the age of the solar system. You'll click on it, and it'll go through 10 questions for your movie quiz. After that's complete, it's going to pop up with a grade out of 10. Okay, you might get 8 out of 10, you might get 9 out of 10, you might get 10 out of 10. Okay, for the actual video assignment, for you to get a grade on here, you will, oh, I went too far here. So you'll go through, you'll do the BrainPop assignment. You will then answer the video assignment question, which is just asking, did you complete I completed the BrainPop lesson, yes or no? Okay, you're going to click yes and submit so you can move on in the course. Okay, if you don't answer this question, you get stuck and you can't move on. So this is 100 points. So technically you'll get 100 points for submitting yes, but this 100 points is going to change depending on your BrainPop quiz. So if you get a 10 out of 10 on the BrainPop quiz, I'll multiply that by 10, so you get 100 points out of 100. If you get an 8 out of 10, I'll multiply it by 10, you'll get an 80 out of 100 for this video assignment. Okay, so once you finish the BrainPop, you hit yes, you go submit, you continue on, woohoo, through the course. Okay, but remember this 100 points under your grades might change once I put in what you actually got on the BrainPop movie quiz. Okay, so that's your job here for the Unit 5A video assignment. If you get confused, BrainPop's being weird, whatever, let me know. Thanks.